German cars are globally renowned for their engineering and performance. However, what many don't realize is that some models cause more problems than they solve. Imagine buying your dream car only to be surprised by an endless list of repairs. In this video, we reveal the 10 German cars that not only drain your wallet but also steal your peace of mind. The BMW 7 Series is often seen as a pinnacle of luxury, but behind the sleek exterior lie expensive problems. From complex electronic system to air suspension issues, repair cost can quickly soar into the thousands. It is the car that impresses but in a long run cost more than most buyers anticipate. Stay tuned to find out which model top this list. The Audi Q7 looks impressive and offers plenty of space, but its reliability leaves much to be desired. Common issues will be the timing chain and electronics can challenge even experienced mechanics. Owners often report high maintenance costs, turning the dream of owning an SUV into a nightmare. Why hasn't Audi addressed these issues? We have got the answer. With its sleek design and advanced technology, the Volkswagen Touareg is a real heart-turner, but this technology often becomes a double-edged sword. Frequent gearbox failures and electronic issues make it one of the most expensive SUVs to maintain. Could this be why many car enthusiasts shy away from the brand? The Mercedes-Benz S-Class is seen as a symbol of prestige and success, but behind its shine lies a darker side. Air suspension problems, electronic assistance systems, and complex engines lead to exorbitant repair bills. Is the price for luxury really justified? Let's dive into the details. Opel is known for affordable cars, but the insignia falls short in terms of reliability. Engine issues and cooling system failures are common complaints. Owners often find themselves repeatedly visiting workshops, making the below purchase price quickly lose its appeal. What's behind these shortcomings? The Porsche Cayenne combines sportiness with SUV comfort, but it comes with expensive surprises. Engine problems, gearbox failures, and high spare parts cost make it a risky choice. Many Cayenne owners have learned the hard way that the luxury often equals cost repairs. The BMW X5 not only looks sporty but also delivers impressive performance. However, it is prone to issues with electronics, brakes and suspension. Owning an X5 requires not just a hefty wallet but also a lot of patience. Why is such a popular model so problematic? The Audi A6 offers a luxurious driving experience overshadowed by technical problems. Owner complained about faulty turbochargers, timing chain issues and expensive repairs. A premium car that has let down many expectations. Should Audi rethink the development of its engines? Which cars top the list of repair nightmare? The Volkswagen past, once a popular family car, now stands out as a maintenance trap. Electrical issues, DSG gearbox failure and declining engine performance make it a disappointment for many buyers. Why has such an iconic car developed so many weaknesses? If you are considering purchasing one of these cars, think twice. There are plenty of alternatives on the market that are both more reliable and cost effective. Remember, a car should bring you joy and not become a financial burden. That's your experience with German cars. Share it in a comment below.